And it's payday for Bagon Alin Tarara, who is going up next. See him celebrating a win. It will be interesting to watch how that unfolded. He took down Dogon Magaji, the braggadocious fighter. Oh, this is Mohakachi. Yeah, that's the fighter, Mohakachi. Wonder what? Okay, there's a challenge being called out, and will it be accepted? It's permitted in Dambe for fighters to actually seek out opponents, a worthy challenger, and it is the right of the challenger to accept or to decline it. I'm Anthony and welcome to Dambe Warriors, most sought after combat sport in the world. Dogon Magaji of Gurumada against Tarara of Jamus. Tarara is how do we put it? So fighters typically are nomadic in nature, itinerant boxers. They move around from city to city. When resources and sponsorship dwindles in one city, they move on to the next city. So Ali Tarara was known in the city of Kano, now in the Arena of Fire. There is swinging his fist of destiny. Paragon slams and both are colliding, aggressive punches, striking left hook there from Alita. Be great for us to see how he secured the win. He hasn't been lucky in his fighting career, but just like that, fighters actually just have a lucky break, and from there they just peak, peaking, getting, those lucky breaks, wins after wins, grappling onto Dogon Magaji, eyes on the prize. Don't blink, anything can happen in an instant. Remember, the goal is to deliver a fatal blow that causes any part of the opponent's body to touch the ground, preferably a knockout, and he blocks that shot from Dogon Magaji. Dogon Magaji threatening and gets a left hook into his successive shots, and it is a knockdown. Alin Tarara wins this game fair and square, and Beatles are a bit delighted for him currently, and there he gets the big spenders to come out, the money rain. It is a payday indeed. It's, huge denominations. Watch that left hook slamming on Dogon Magaji, followed through with another overhand. Dogon Magaji's hand and feet touched the ground very well, so it was a clear-cut win. This is why you need to subscribe to the Dambe Warriors channel. New videos coming out every day. Turn on the post notification bell icon. Follow on social media platforms. And the musicians are going to take him on a victory procession as he continues to receive cash gifts from fans and friends alike, and even family members as well. So it is what it is. Then literally the loser also gets some money from fans as well, to heal his wounds literally. So thank you for watching.